are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I place my devotion in their well-being and prosperity along like my happiness.
भारत माता की वंदे 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 महात्मा गांधी सुभाष चंद्र बोस भगत सिंह डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर